This section will cover installation of the waterproof plate and setting up the coolant tank for your DWX-4W dental mill. Start by opening the front cover. Note the orientation of the plate before installing. Then insert the waterproof plate from above between the machine and the inside of the front cover. If the plate is not installed correctly, it may interfere with opening and closing the front cover. Attach the waterproof plate on the inside of the front cover by seating the plate firmly on the two tabs as seen here. Before installing the coolant tank, you will need to prepare the designated additive separately. The coolant should have a water-to-additive ratio of 95:5 or 2,850 milliliters of water to 150 milliliters of additive. You will also need to add 2.5 milliliters of chelating agent for every 50 milliliters of coolant additive to complete the coolant mixture. Open the bottom tray and first pull the coolant tank forward, then up out of the tray. Pour in the coolant from the fluid inlet on the top of the tank, making sure not to overfill. Close the fluid inlet cap and return the coolant tank to its original position in the tray. Carefully push the coolant tank to the back of the machine until the tank clicks into place. Now, close the bottom tray.